then take the first right.
Have you ever heard of Monster Ranger? Never. I used to have the CD series, but I never could finish it.
Bro,
I'm finishing.
I be doing that stuff. Like, you ever hear of the Spider Riders? They're kind of annoying.
Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Let's go over there, babe. Let's see.
Is it fastened down?
Okay. Oh, okay.
That is one of the... Probably a dumb question, but she's retired, right?
Oh yeah, they're retired.
Oh, crazy work.
Oh yeah.
Also, where's the bathroom? Right. All right.
Almost like
Hilarious.
Who wants some beef?
Cheers.
And
just straight mustache. Yeah.
All right, you want to help me make mine?
That's a good transition for the wedding day from her high school.